Hi, students, again. In the other song, we practiced the first part of the classroom objects. This is the second part. Let's get started.
Stapler,
Stapler,
glue,
glue,
eraser,
eraser in America, and remember that in England is rubber.
calculator,
Calculator,
brush,
brush,
tape,
tape,
pencil sharpener,
pencil sharpener,
paint.
and paint. And now let's listen to the song with music and lots of gestures.
May I borrow your stapler? May I borrow your stapler? May I borrow your glue? May I borrow your glue? May I borrow your eraser? May I borrow your eraser? May I borrow your calculator? May I borrow your calculator? Of course. Of course, of course,
Brush,
May I borrow your brush? May I borrow your brush? May I borrow your tape? May I borrow your tape? May I borrow your pencil sharpener? May I borrow your pencil sharpener? May I borrow your paint? May I borrow your paint? Of course, of course, of course,
Okay, I hope you had lots of fun. Bye bye.